video field is going to explode recently. Last year's Runway and Pika have already caused a big shock to the industry. In 2024, OpenAI company released Sora. Although it's not open to the public yet, the official video can tell the future of AI. The potential for generating class videos is limitless. In this video, let us take a look at how to convert pictures into such AI videos with one click. This is definitely the simplest tool because it does not require the use of any prompt. First, download and install the mobile version of Filmora. Open the software and find AI Show feature on top of Create a New Project. There are 23 preset AI model styles. Choose a style you like. Click AI Generated, select a photo in the mobile phone album, and the rest is to wait for the video to be generated. After the video is generated, click Edit, Audio, and AI Audio to generate background music based on the emotion and theme you want to convey, as well as the duration. Let's take a look at the final effect. If this video has been helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to visit our website at filmora.wondershare.com.